All right, let's move on. It's a sea of red on Dalal Street today with both the benchmark indices declining at the opening bell. In fact, Sensex crashed over 700 points while Nifty also opened 200 points lower. The Indian rupee also hit a record low, depreciating to 87.29 against the US dollar. Now, let's tell you the meltdown is an aftermath of tariff war, which has been escalated by US President Donald Trump after he imposed sweeping tariffs on China, Canada, as well as Mexico. Now, even as no additional tariffs have been imposed on India yet, the investors on Dalal Street are on alert as they track the volatility in the global markets. All right, Varun Pandey joins me on the broadcast this morning. Varun, a very good morning to you, given the fact that we're looking at an aspect of it just being red at the moment. Having said that, like we told our viewers, indication of how this is also going to be looking for the Indian market, given the aspect of what Trump has said as well. If you could just help our viewers understand this better.
Well, so if you see, it's the start of the week and we are seeing a global sell-off. It's not only an Indian sell-off, it's a global sell-off. Because if you look, the Nifty is down by around 1%, but in the broader market, if you look, the overall sell-off is around 1 to 2%. And it is in the start of the trade, the BSE listed companies have lost market cap of around 5 lakh crores. If you look at global markets, the Asian markets were down. China was close, but if you look at Nikkei, it was down around more than 2.5%. Other Dow futures, Nasdaq futures, they are down by around 1.5% each. And the reason is the tariff war, the global tariff war, because Trump has actually imposed 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico and 10% tariff on China. Although this was expected, but people are saying this is just the start of tariff war, which could actually impact global economies. Now, what this has done, this has led to dollar index rising to 109, and other currencies vis-a-vis, if you look at the dollar index, they are actually falling. Rupee has gone to a 1-month low, and other currencies are also under pressure. Now, what analysts on the street say is that this is just the first strike in what could be a very destructive global trade war, and this could impact the economies of Canada and Mexico, and they expect that more such tariff could be coming in some of the economies. Also, this could impact the US economy because the inflation over there is expected to increase after this tariff, and that would actually lead to less rate cuts in overall US. So it is not only India, it's the global sell-off that has been seen because of this tariff hike that US has announced.
All right, Varun, I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, putting in that into perspective for our viewers as well. Having said that, my team stands corrected. It was Varun Dubey joining us. Having said that, we're shifting our focus now.